What's up, guys? My name is Kapsile and I'm back with another video. Welcome to the Light and Shine family. Let's shine together, guys, by having positive mind and achieving a lot through God. So, guys, today I just wanna share some few words with you. And it's night and my light is not good, but I won't allow my light to block me to pass this message to you today, because I really want to pass this message. So today I will share some thoughts on how to avoid any discouragement. Avoiding discouragement can be challenging, guys, but with the right mindset and strategy, you can build the resilience and maintain positively. Set realistic goals. Break large goals into smaller, achievable steps to prevent feelings of overwhelmed. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, especially when facing a setback. I'm sorry, guys. Staying positive. Focus on positive thoughts and affirmation to combat negative thinking patterns. Limit negative influences. Surround yourself with supportive people and reduce time spent with negative individuals. Remember that these people, they just want to see you down. So if you're going to let them to discourage you, you won't achieve. So stay away from the negative people. View setback as an opportunity for growth and learning rather than signs of defeated. Never be defeated. Consume motivational books or videos that uplift you and spark your enthusiasm. Choose music that you play. Choose any motivation that you listen. Focus on what you can control. Make sure that you do things that you enjoy and that brings you joy. Stay informed, not overwhelmed. Keep up with necessary information, but avoid drowning in negative news. Regular take times to acknowledge and appreciate the positive aspect of your life. Remember that it's normal to feel discouraged. Sometimes it's how you respond that makes the difference. So that's us for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Love you. Light and Shine family loves you. So let us light and shine bright in future. Love you guys. Peace out.